All right, for those of you that have not put your Scratch game into the studio yet, you need to make sure that you are logged in up here. If you're not logged in, you're not going to see the studio. You'll hit the little folder that takes you to all of your stuff and find your games. I'm going to go get one that I haven't put in a studio yet. All right, so say this one is my final game. I'll hit C inside and then wait for it to load. There's an orange share button up here. If you don't have the orange share button, either you have already shared it or you're not in our class. So first, if you have that orange share button, you'll click it. It'll save the project, and then you'll go down here to where it says Add to Studio. You pick whichever studio is yours. Okay? Now, if you don't have the share button, you need to go to your name first. Then you go to My Stuff, and look over here for where it says My Studios. If for My Studios you don't see the class here, that means that you're not in the right account. It's not the account you created to be part of the class. And you'll have to send me a message or go see Mr. Underwood or Mr. Beck because there's not much we can do about that over email. If you do see our class studio over here, you'll go back to your stuff again. So like there's my game. I can hit unshare, go back to see inside, and the share button will pop up. Sometimes it just glitches out a little bit. Okay, so then you hit add to studio, pick your studio, say okay. Now if you don't see that orange share button and you don't see our studio, you're going to have to send one of us a message or come see us in the tech lab.